Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, folks, we are going to get extremely down and dirty with the price tags of the crypto market. And we are going to be talking about the one and only, my beloved CKB, which is not doing the best today, down 13%. But this is going to be some great technical analysis because in the last video I did, I told you to watch out for a specific time and date, and we're going to look at what the price is doing. Overall, the market's a mixed bag today, but CKB's down 13% on the day, up 31% on the week. Damn, 31% on the week. So we've got this big kind of, it's leaning red, the markets, this big red wave, you know what I'm saying? Here we are. We have arrived at the CKB charts, my beloved cryptocurrency. And in the last video, I was kind of talking about how we might be seeing some Elliott wave theory to the upside. I had my speculations that we would see price kind of drift in towards this Fibonacci time sequence on Saturday the 25th, which is tomorrow, around 2 p.m. Central Time. So I have been telling you guys to watch out for this time frame here. And this is going to be interesting to see how this really plays out. Because are we going to get, and I'm just going to throw out a little alpha here, right? I warned everyone down here, hey, we got an ascending triangle. This thing's ready to blast off. Price blasted off, right? On top of that, I was kind of talking about how I thought there could have been some sort of Elliott wave theory impulse move to the upside. It looks like, it looks like this is how this thing could shake out. So I am planning for some sort of increased volatility. Hopefully that results in a bounce on Saturday the 25th at 2 p.m. Central Time. Let's just go within 2 hours of 2 p.m. Saturday the 25th Central Time. So this would be kick-ass to see CKB run the ranks all the way out to this 007. It tried. We got up to 0.0067, but like I've been saying, the last week, we're seeing price stretch for this 007 number. Now, let's look at CKB on the weekly chart. And we've been really, really tracking this inverse head and shoulders now for months on end. Finally, we're towards the end of it. And now for the last month or two, really since we hit, around this February 20th area, I've been kind of telling everybody, watch out for price to come back and hit this 007 price tag to form this right shoulder. And that's exactly what's happening. And I've been talking about, folks, for the longest time on the weekly chart. This is an opportunity for CKB to really jump through the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly. Once that happens, folks, you can see where CKB was above the Ichimoku cloud. This probably came down like this. You can see once we got above it, man, it was off to the races. But on the weekly, this is very important. The next opportunity we'll have might be August, September of 2023, like a solid opportunity, in my opinion, for price to get above this trend line here. So let's just say price goes above 007. Where is it off to next? Well, 0.0116 would be my best guess. That is the 730-day moving average, which is a 2-year moving average, something that you just don't see a lot of people tracking other than myself. But you can kind of see that, about that 0.011, maybe 12-ish level if things pop off. But, right now, we're just kind of playing the waiting game. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. And really, when it comes down to it, I would like to see price maybe bounce right off this trend line. So we might see prices, bear with me 1 second here. We may see these prices, I'm just going to adjust this, maybe something like this. might see something like this happen where we see price maybe wick down to this 0053 number, just a guess. But if we fall from this trend line and this purple 50 moving average, man, we're going to have a little bit of a net. And this is the 4-hour chart. We have a little bit of a net, 4-hour, the 200 moving average at about, half penny. So if we fall below that, man, we're going to have to do some more technical analysis. But hopefully this is how things shake out for us over the weekend. I think a lot of this is just riding on the Bitcoin close, the weekly market close on Sunday, things like that. So we're just going to have to kind of keep an eye on things. But like I mentioned, we are going to be really tracking right around within a few hours of this 2 p.m. time, Saturday, March 25th, which is tomorrow. So with that said, folks, I appreciate all of you guys being here. Check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. And I do have an open chat where we discuss trading, things like that. That link is in my description. Make sure you are following my account at Real6Fig and not some sort of scammer account. So with that said, folks, hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. If things start popping off, I don't have a whole lot going on this weekend, so we will tend to the markets as needed, maybe drop a video here or there. But if you're looking to really see what's going on, what my thoughts are on the market, that open chat group is where you can find me in between these videos. See you guys all in the next video.